So in this video we are going to find out the integral of sin square x into cos cube x dx. As we have a very nice identity, that is cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. So if I need to find the value of cos square x, cos square x equal 1 minus sin square x. So just plug in the value of cos square x here. Then we will get sin square x into 1 minus sin square x into cos of x dx. So we are left with cos of x dx and sin x. So as we all know that the derivative of sin x is cos of x. So we will substitute u is equal to sin of x. If we take the derivative of this sin of x, we will get du is equal to cos of x dx over here. So just plug in the value of u and cos of x dx, that is du. We will get the integral of u square into 1 minus u square into du. So this is really simple. Now we will get u cube divided by 3 minus u 4 divided by 4 plus c. Now if we substitute our u, that is sin of x, we will get sin cube of x divided by 3 minus sin 4x divided by 4 plus c.